In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a Google Reviews widget to your website. Whether you're a business owner looking to showcase your stellar customer feedback or someone trying to add interactive features to a site, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, let's dive into getting the Google Reviews widget code or plugin. This will be the essential tool needed to display your reviews. Start by opening your web browser and performing a search for Google Reviews widget, and you'll find several options available, both free and paid. Look for a provider that suits your needs, paying close attention to the features offered and any user reviews. Once you've made your choice, follow the website's instructions to generate your widget code. This usually involves signing up for an account or linking it with your Google business profile. After following these steps, you'll be presented with a code snippet. This is the magic key that will link your website with Google reviews, so keep it handy. With the widget code in hand, the next step is to integrate it onto your website. To do this, you'll want to use your website builder's custom HTML block functionality. Open your website builder and navigate to the page where you want to place the widget. It could be your homepage or a dedicated testimonials page, wherever you think visitors will benefit most from seeing real customer feedback. Once you're on the desired page, look for an option to add a new element or widget. In most builders, you'll find an option labeled HTML or custom code. Click on that and a blank space will appear where you can paste your widget code. Now it's time to paste the code you obtained earlier. Simply copy the code from your widget provider and paste it into this custom HTML block. If everything's been done correctly, the widget should immediately display within your page builder interface, giving you a preview of how it will look once the changes are live. It's a good moment to check if the widget aligns well with your page's design. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can usually adjust the widget's appearance or position within your website's CSS style sheet, or by using your builder's design tools. After you've pasted the code and ensured it looks good, make sure to hit Save or Publish to apply these changes to your website. Saving is crucial as it commits the changes to your live site, allowing your visitors to see those glowing reviews in all their glory. Each website builder has slightly different terminology, so if you're unsure, look for options like Update, Publish, or Save Changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully added a Google Reviews widget to your website, enhancing your web presence by showcasing real customer testimonials in a visually appealing way. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more tips on enhancing your digital space.